we have the capabilities to remotely monitor every system. We can control every system and thereby change the behavior in the stadiums. And we can also receive alarms and notifications as part of our proactive monitoring in the command center. And therefore, before something goes wrong, we have that proactive information coming in from the sensors and from the subsystems. And based on the nature of that alarm, its severity and priority and the impact, we can activate certain standard operating procedures to do 1, 2, 3 predefined steps and execute them.
So we are managing here also the accessibility for the venues here from the command center, and we are making sure that wherever the crowded area here, we can working in a proactive to make sure that this crowd does never happen again, to make sure that we have a smooth transition of our spectators of entering all these venues, and to make sure that whenever the crowded area, to support this area with our utilities, with our services here. So yes, this type of actions can be managed from here, from the command center.